everybody, it's Tony back again with another quick video for you. I got this V-Modus 2511 back again. Switched it out to quarter pitch chain of sprocket, running the Stihl 71 PM3. I run the 64 link, but you know, it's .043 gauge quarter pitch. But already got the saw warmed up. Leave a timestamp if you wanted to skip the intro. But I got this piece of sugar maple back here in the splitter again that was cutting with the 3/8 low pro stuff. So we'll see how the quarter pitch compares to the 3/8 low pro, but this hands down one in the spruce. So we'll see what it does back here, but saw's already warmed up. Bad Little Runner version 2. I got video support work that I did to this one and the first one, but I didn't do any machine work to the cylinder, just base gasket delete and support work. But seemed like it did pretty good back there with the quarter pitch. Definitely bore cuts a lot faster, but we'll post the footage for you guys to you know, make your own opinions. But like I said, I'm a fan of the quarter pitch, but that's the stuff I normally run. I haven't got to try the Panther stuff or any of that 325 Nano, but it's always the future. So thanks for watching, guys, and stay tuned for more.